everyone, welcome back to Pooja's recipes. I'm going to make today a very healthy and nice recipe made with spinach, palak. It's called Palak Moti Mahal. It's really different. It's just made with very few ingredients and it really tastes very nice. Let me show you the ingredients. This is 500 grams of spinach which I have blanched. Blanched means I have put it in, washed in water for 5-6 times. Then I have put it in hot water, boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Then taken it out and put it in the cold water and then grind it. These are 2 medium onions, finely chopped. These are 2 medium tomatoes, finely ground. This is garam masala. This is roasted jeera powder, cumin seed powder, salt, red chili powder. This is white urad dal. This is washed urad dal, white, and this is ghee and salt. First of all, I'm going to marinate this onions. I'm going to add garam masala, almost 3/4 spoon to it, 2 spoons almost of roasted cumin powder. This is the main ingredient which will give the flavor. We are not going to add any turmeric, any coriander powder, nothing. So this is very important. Salt, 1 teaspoon, and red chili powder, around half a teaspoon. And just mix it and just leave it for few minutes. Mix it well and then just leave it for few minutes. We are going to leave this for a few minutes and we are going to start making Palak Moti Mahal. So I've left these onions. These are marinated now. So now I'm going to start making the sabji. I'm going to add 2 spoons of ghee. If you want, you can add oil also. But this spinach vegetables especially, they really taste very nice with ghee. Now we are going to just let the ghee heat up, and now I'm going to add these onions. Just keep the flame medium high. This for few minutes, for 2 to 3 minutes. Because these onions are soft already because I have added salt and other masalas. So this is already soft, and this is very quick sabji because everything is boiled and blanched, and this is spinach is already grinded, tomatoes are ready, everything is ready. So if you make some preparations as I have made, it would be really easy for you. This vegetables, all my recipes are inspired by my mother. This one also is inspired by mother. I love this sabji. These onions, I have sauteed them for 2 to 3 minutes on slow flame. Now I'm going to add tomatoes. If you want to add green chili, you can just grind the green chili along with these tomatoes, or otherwise you can just avoid it. Just make the flame high so this masala is cooked properly and it releases the oil, the ghee. Let's do it for a few minutes. This dal also has been cooked for 2 minutes now. I'm going to finally add this spinach, which is the final ingredient. See how lovely it looks. Just mix it well together. The consistency should be a bit thick, not very watery. Mix the spinach properly now. I'm going to add a bit of more salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste, and this will just need another maybe 2 minutes. We'll just cover it for 2 minutes and then it's ready to serve. You can see these dal grains. They are very few, but they are They are very prominent. That's why this is called dal moti mahal. It looks like pearls. That's the name has been given, palak moti mahal. I'm just going to cover it now for 2 minutes. So this spinach palak moti mahal is ready to serve now. I cooked with the lid on for 2 minutes. It's ready. I'm going to switch off the flame and it's ready to serve. You can relish it with rotis, naans, parathas, or maybe jeera rice. Going to see, I've served this palak moti mahal. It looks wonderful. All the dal grains are also, they can be seen, and it looks very nice. If you like the recipe, please give the recipe thumbs up. And if you want, you will just put a little bit of ghee on top of it to enhance the flavor. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching.